Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, Waidamu River, along with another 109 rivers and creeks were advertised to be desilted or dredged a number of times. Out of this 110, we were successful in getting under the PPP model, private-public partnership model, where the ministry will undertake the scoping, the drawings of extraction, and develop the environmental management plan for the extraction at our cost. And we'll work with the land owners to get the fishing rights waiver and award it to a contractor who would extract that material, pay the royalty, and then take the material and sell it and keep the proceeds. So, Mr. Speaker, out of these 110 rivers and creeks, we were able to successfully get 31 contractors to undertake, for 31 rivers and creeks, contractors to undertake this desilting work on a private-public partnership model. The Waidamu River, it's a long river, 9.6 kilometers, and it has got a total volume of silt which needs to be removed, 127,518. It is massive amount of silt that needs to be removed, and the river mouth as well to be cleared. The entire 9 kilometers, 9.6 needs to be cleared. We advertised 4 times. Now, just to update Parliament, normally the interest from contractors come if there is a lot of gravel and sand material. No one is after silt, which they can't sell and get money. Waidamu River has very little gravel and sand, but more silt. So, Mr. Speaker, 4th time we were able to get a company. That company, took us for a ride for about 6 months. We even went and commissioned, etc., and they were not able to get the dredger and get the dredging. So we canceled the agreement, and then we advertised again, and we were able to get another company called Hard Rock Dredging Company. Just before COVID, they got their brand new dredger, went there, started the dredging work, and there were some issues with the community. There was some physical scuffle, and some of their staff got hurt. They stopped it, and then COVID came. So we went and settled the issue, and then they were about to resume, and COVID came, and their workers went back. So when the COVID started to ease out, we were expecting their workers to come back. So that's where we are now, Mr. Speaker. We're not able to get the company to start the dredging works. In the meantime, we're looking at other contractors to give out parts of the river so that we can fast track while we wait for this particular contractor. And I want to assure Parliament that the Waidamu River is right on the top of our agenda in terms of dredging it. We are mindful of the spillover effect of Waidamu River on the nearby communities. Worst scenario is we're expecting our own dredger to come end of the year, donated by Government of Japan, thanks to Government of Japan, and then we can get the dredger there. And we also have some emergency rivers in the northern division that we were not able to find any dredging company. So we need to engage our dredgers in areas of rivers where we don't get interest from the private sector. But we've got good news that as we speak, we've got dredging in Bar River, a bit slow. Nasivia River and Tabua, dredging is happening. So we are making good progress with the private sector model, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.